Tugans, welcome back to the channel. Firstly, yay, what's happening? Hope you're all okay. Don't know where that come from. Thanks and hello to any new subscribers, and thanks and hello to my existing subscribers. Keep your comments coming, guys. Let me know in the comments if there's anything you want me to try and get my hands on to review. Right, bit of a mystery box today. These arrived for me. I can't remember, well, doesn't say what's in what. What I'm thinking, do a bit of a mystery box, shall we? That's heavy. Don't know. Bit of a mystery box, and I'll see if I can do a little review on the fly. It should be fun. Let me get something to open it. I just hope it's something good. I recycled all my boxes, by the way, guys, so... Okay, that's nothing to do with me. That is screen wash for the electric van. Okay, that went well. Let's try again. Going here, should we? Okay. This is a total on the fly, guys. You'll have to excuse me. Right, in here I've got some conduit cutters. I've got the Milwaukee Shockwave impact bits. Right, let's get this little one open. Okay. Ratchet conduit cutter. We use a lot of square conduit, trunking around here, so got a little bit here, so I'm just going to do a bit of on the fly demo, see how good it is. Not bad. It cuts, it works, locks away nice like that. Oh, first impression. Not bad at all, not bad at all. I hate getting in these boxes. This is where you can make yourself look an idiot or a weed. I just went and got this one, the 24-piece one, a little box. So you've got your longer bits down the side there. Oh, these all pop out. So I think you could put these in pack outs. Maybe take that off, put in your pack out, have them laying down nice in there. I've seen little reviews on YouTube. This comes in a nice little set. Maybe you could attach on your bag, on your D-rings on there. Put something through there to have it attached, or you can just slip it in your bag, or you could just take them all out. See, take that out there, that out there. So you can see there with my WeHa stuff, got going along the top, so I could fit all the bits in there for my impact driver. I haven't used Milwaukee bits before. Let me know what your opinions on them are, guys. Sorry about the video today. It is literally a mystery box video. I will be doing more videos. I've got the WeHa hammer to have a look at. Plus, I've got quite a few different loadout videos. I'm changing my tech pack for the blackout, so I'm going to get that sorted next weekend. I'm going to be doing that, but there's a lot more videos to come. Let me know if you did like the mystery box quick video. It's interesting to know. This seems pretty good. One thing with these, you always find the blade might go off to one side. This is only plastic, so it's not that bad. And I use the sticky one because I'm a lazy bugger. Okay guys, thanks for your time, thanks for your patience with my opening the boxes. If you want a review on the screen wash, let me know. It's for the electric van we got in work, so there you go guys. Thanks for your time, thanks for watching the video, put your comments in the bottom.